Okay, so we're on to the section portion now. So this is the repeat. So question 1, it says the scatter graph, so that's that there, shows the lengths and widths of 20 birds' eggs. So length going across, width going upwards. So one of the eggs has got a length of 52 millimeters. So what is its width? So 52, that's going up in 5 gaps there. So 52 would be on there. Right, here you go. So there you go. It's that one there, isn't it? So it's going to be 40 millimeters. All the points except one show what's called a strong correlation. So a correlation is a relationship between these two sets of data. Right? And you'd expect a relationship between the length and width of an egg, because the bigger the egg, the longer the egg, the taller it's going to be as well. You'd expect that. So it says circle a point that does not fit this pattern. Alright, I do. The only problem is we've already circled that one, so I'm just going to have to rub that one out. And what clearly doesn't fit with the pattern, look, so you can see a correlation because it's roughly a straight line. What doesn't fit has got to be that one down there, because it's completely different from the others. Right, so question C, I didn't realise that was there, but that's a little bit further down. We're going to jump on that in a second. So question 2, it said here is some information about goals scored in some hockey games. So each game has got 4 quarters. Which quarter, so there's your quarter going across there, first, second, third, fourth quarter. Which quarter was the mode for away goals? So you've got a key down here, so the home is the dark one, away is the light one. So if you're looking for the mode on a bar chart, you're looking for the highest bar. So there's your away goals, like I say, in the silver or the lighter grey. So it's going to be that one there, that's the highest bar in silver. So it's going to be your second quarter. Let's highlight that. So there were 10 games, and it says work out the mean number of goals per game. Okay, I've gone quiet on this one. All right, so if it's mean number of goals, so we'll add all these up, won't we? So 4 plus 2 plus 4, we're up to 10 so far, plus 8 is 18, plus another 8 is 26, and then plus 7 is 35, and then plus 9, 44, plus 5, I've gone wrong somewhere, okay. So 5 at 9, 14, plus that, 7 is 31, 39, 47, 51. Yeah, so what we've got as a total when we add all these up together, we've got 47. And it tells us there were 10 games. So 47 divided by 10 gets us 4.7. So there's a mean average of 4.7 goals. So your mean is where you add up all your values. So in that case, it's all the goals that have been scored all together, and then divide by the number of games that they had. So this was the question from earlier, and I moved it down here to get a bit more space. It says, can you match each scatter with a description? So as I say, a correlation is basically to describe or to say if there's a relationship between two sets of data. So that one, if you look at it, it goes downwards. So there is clearly a correlation because it's nearly a straight line, and that's going downwards, so it's negative. And it says the first one's done for us, but yeah, it's strong negative correlation, so that one's done, that's fine. So this one's going upwards, so as a result, it's definitely a straight line, so there's definitely a relationship, there's definitely a correlation, and that's positive. So what is it there? Yeah, and that's a strong positive. Right, and this one here, I can't see any line whatsoever, so I would say clearly there's little or no correlation. Right, so I'll pick one of these, I'll do the positive. So if we did see something that looks a bit like this, so what we've got is got that there, that there, that there, that there, and maybe just a couple of outlines. You can kind of see maybe it goes upwards, right? But that would be classed as a weak correlation because you don't. So the closer your data is to being a straight line, the stronger your correlation, the stronger your relationship. So I would say that was possibly positive. It's somewhere between positive and no correlation, but it's a very weak one. All right, I'll do that.